Good morning, students. Today we are starting a new chapter of civics, chapter 6, political parties. Today, students, first of all, we will cover the topic 1, that is introduction. Our chapter is political party. So, सबसे पहले बेटा we will try to understand the meaning of political party. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. When the peoples come together in a group to contest elections, and after contesting elections, if they will win, by winning the elections, by making the governments, they want to hold the power of governments in their hand. Such groups are known as political parties. The people who are come together, they agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective goods. कुछ ऐसी पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं जिन पे वो लोग एग्री होते हैं कि भी सरकार आई तो सोसाइटी के लिए ऐसे काम हम करेंगे. दैट्स वाई दे कम टूगेदर. इफ दे आर नॉट एग्री दे कांट बी इन वन ग्रुप. So in a political party, the group, all people are agree on the policy and programs that will be followed by them after winning the elections. Since there can be different views on what is good for all, a industrialist want relaxation in tax, electricity all at cheaper rate. A farmer wants a government which provide the good price of their crops. So views are different. What is good for all? What is good for a farmer is different from what is good for a industrialist. Parties try to persuade people. They try to make the peoples that they try to convince the peoples that why their policies are better than others. One party try to convince the common citizens, ordinary citizens, that their policies are better than the other political parties. They seek to implement these policies by winning the popular support through elections. After winning the elections, by getting the support of the majority of people, they will win the elections. After winning the election, they try to implement all these policies that are promised. That policies were decided by the political parties before the elections in the election manifesto. Now, so we can say that parties reflect fundamental political division in society. Some people are attached with one party, other people are attached with another party. So it means there is a fundamental division in society. सोसाइटी डिवाइड हो जाती है. कुछ लोग किसी पार्टी से जुड़ जाते हैं, कुछ लोग दूसरी पार्टी से जुड़ जाते हैं. पार्टीज आर अबाउट ए पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी. दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी. सो इट मीन्स वेन एवर अ थिंग विच इज सो कॉमन इन सोसाइटी, इट ब्रिंग्स द पार्टीशनशिप ऑल्सो. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ट्राई टू द मीनिंग, अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ पार्टीशन एंड पार्टीशनशिप. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बोथ टर्म्स? अ पर्सन हु इज स्ट्रांगली कमिटेड टू ए पार्टी और ए ग्रुप और ए फैक्शन नॉन एज ए पार्टीशन. एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो किसी पार्टी के साथ, किसी ग्रुप के साथ, फैक्शन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है स्ट्रांगली. सपोज यू एंड 3 or 4 friend of yours have made a group. You together go for a walk together. You all of you go to play the match, cricket or any other games. You are strongly committed to that group. When your parents are saying that do not live in that group, left your friends, still you are not obeying your parents and still you go with your friends, you are committed to your friends, then you are a partisan. आजकल ऐसा पार्टी सा देखने मिलता है. मोस्टली पीपल्स आर कमिटेड टू द पार्टीज. कुछ बीजेपी से जुड़े हुए हैं, कुछ कांग्रेस से जुड़े हुए हैं. हम स्ट्रांगली कमिटेड हैं. पार्टी के साथ हम पार्टी के लिए अच्छा सोचते हैं, पार्टी हमारी पार्टी को अच्छा समझते हैं, और पार्टी गलत कर तब भी पार्टी के बारे में अच्छा सोचते हैं, देन वी आर द पार्टीशन. Partisanship. It is marked by tendency to take a side and inability to take a balanced view on an issue. It is a tendency when we take the side of our group or our party. Suppose हमारे जिस ग्रुप से हम जुड़े हुए हैं, हमारा जो फ्रेंड सर्कल है, हमारा ग्रुप किसी गरीब, सपोज कीजिए वी आर ट्रेवलिंग इन ए ऑटो रिक्शा, देन आफ्टर ट्रेवलिंग वी आर नॉट पेइंग द रेंट or fare to that rickshaw owner and we are taking the side of our friend. हम पता है वो गलत कर रहा है, फिर भी उसी की साइड ले रहे हैं हम. इट मीन्स हमारे अंदर एक इनेबिलिटी आ चुकी है, एंड इनेबिलिटी हैज डेवलप्ड इन अस टू टेक अ बैलेंस व्यू ऑन अ इशू. हम किसी इशू पर बैलेंस व्यू नहीं ले पा रहे हैं. वी आर जस्ट ब्लाइंड फोर्डली फॉलोइंग द आर ग्रुप, आर फैक्शन और आर पार्टी. This tendency is known as partisanship. Well, there are three components of political party: leaders, active members, and followers. Without the leader, party is nothing. Today, why BJP is famous? Because its leaders, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Manohar Khattar, these are leaders. They lead the party from the front. They decided all the policies and programs of the party. Then active members. All policies are decided by the leaders, but they are implemented by the active members of the political party. They are the link between the leaders and the followers. The lowest level is the follower. But leaders are there, active members are there. If no one is following the party, then they are useless. If the party have follower, then they worth it. So followers also need for the party. The more followers means party will get more votes. So there are three components of political party: leaders, active members, and the followers. Last one today, friends. So now we will discuss why we need political parties. Today we will see that it is the most visible institution in a democracy. Mostly in today all countries political parties are exist. It is so common in democracy that we can't imagine the democracy without the political parties. Even for a ordinary citizen, democracy is equal to the political parties. Sometimes ordinary citizens consider the political parties as democracy. If we will go to the remote areas, there people are less educated. There are very less chances that people know about democracy. शायद वो democracy definition जानते ही ना हो, but there are little bit chances are there. There are very few chances are there that maybe they are known about the political parties and the leaders. किसी हम बहुत दूर दराज के इलाके में जाते हैं जहाँ लोग कम पढ़े लिखे, इतने एजुकेटेड नहीं है, उनके पास जैसे इकोनॉमिक एडवांसमेंट भी नहीं है, शायद ही वो डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में जानते हो, बट इसके चांसेस है वो किसी लीडर के बारे में, किसी पार्टी के बारे में जरूर अवेयर हो, इसका नाम कहीं ना कहीं जरूर सुना हो. इट मे बी पॉपुलरिटी, दे नो अबाउट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, इट डजंट मीन दैट द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर वेरी पॉपुलर. दे मे बी पॉपुलर और दे मे बी क्रिटिसाइज द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. Do sometimes in democracy, whenever something is wrong in democracy, people started to blame the political parties. People started to blame the political leaders. Suppose there is a natural disaster in any area of the country, then for such things also people started to blame the political parties. But there is one thing, we need the political parties. 100 years ago, there were very few countries which have political parties. PP means political parties. Today, after 100 years, only few countries are left that are not having political parties. So it means now each and every country wants the political parties They want such type of institutions in their country. Elections are take place in the countries, and during the elections, mainly elections are fought by the political parties. That's all for today, students.